Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Replit Agent to Notion, setup plus API keys. So, to follow this tutorial, you will need a Replit account, a Notion account, and familiarity with basic Replit Agent interaction. If you're new to Agent, check out the Replit Agent documentation. So you can navigate to docs.replit.com/replitai-agent and you can get yourself familiar with it. Now, after you do this, step 1 is preparing your Notion database. So before prompting agent, set up a content source in Notion. This involves thinking procedurally about what your blog needs, similar to planning a product. So first, create a Notion integration. In Notion, go to settings and members, usually in the top left sidebar, navigate to connections, that was previously known as integrations, and select develop or manage integration. Select plus new integration and you'll be on this page. Name your integration like My Replit blog integration and associate it with your desired workspace. So for integration type, choose internal integration, select submit. Now copy your internal integration secret token and save it securely. This is your Notion API key. Under capabilities, ensure that read content is enabled. For this tutorial, reading is sufficient. If you later want to write data to Notion, enable the insert content and update the content. Now, you'll have to create a Notion page with database. So create a new page in Notion for your blog content. On this page, add a new table database, name your table like blog post and define columns for your posts. So specify these clearly in your mind as you'll soon tell agent about them. For example, title, body, slug, publish date, reading time, and description. Now, it will look something like this. You can also add few sample posts. You can use Notion's AI features to help generate content. Now, third step is connecting your integration to the page. So open Notion page containing your database, click on the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and select Add Connection. Now, search for and select the integration you created, like My Replit blog integration. Confirm the connection and this will allow Replit via the integration token to access this page and its database. Now another step is prompting Replit Agent. So with Notion setup, let's get Replit Agent to build our blog foundation. So plan before you prompt. Clear outline of feature leads to a more focused prompts. So open Replit Agent, navigate to the Replit homepage, open the agent and provide agent with a detailed prompt. Simplify your language but be specific about requirements, constraints and desired outputs. Here's an example. Now, agent will generate a plan. Review it to ensure it aligns with your expectations, then approve it. This is your first checkpoint in the AI-assisted building process. Now step 3 is connecting your Replit to Notion with secrets. So agent will likely need your Notion integration details to fetch data. So typically you will need these two. Now how to find your Notion database ID? Open your Notion page with the database in a browser. The URL might be like this. Now click on three-dotted icon that is menu on your database view and select copy link to view and paste it. Go to secrets tool in your Replit workspace and add these. Agent should automatically use these secrets and attempt to connect and the app will likely to restart. After you do this, you would have successfully connected Replit Agent to Notion. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.